You worked hard for your money, and the last thing you want is to see it erode over time. But with inflation, economic uncertainty, and the constant threat of a recession, how can you ensure your nest egg is truly bulletproof? Well, today I'm going to show you a strategy that could safeguard your wealth in ways you probably haven't even considered, especially if you've been thinking about the future of your retirement savings. Now, before we dive in, let me tease you with something you'll learn by the end of this video that could completely change the way you look at your retirement planning. Stick with me, and I promise it will be worth it. With the recent headlines about banks failing, inflation hitting historic highs, and the economy teetering on the edge of another recession, it's no surprise that many retirees are starting to feel the weight of their financial decisions. If you're nearing retirement or already enjoying your golden years, it's more important than ever to secure your savings. Here's the thing. The traditional methods of saving for retirement, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds, are no longer as safe as they once were. President Trump recently warned that rising debt levels and inflation could push the U.S. economy into a deep recession, one that could affect your hard-earned savings. But what if I told you there's a way to protect your wealth no matter what happens with the economy? That's where a gold IRA comes in. Gold has been a stable store of value for thousands of years, and unlike other assets, it doesn't lose its value in times of economic turmoil. In fact, gold often performs well when inflation spikes, the dollar weakens, or when markets are volatile. Now, imagine this. Your million-dollar nest egg, not only protected from market crashes but growing, no matter what's going on with the economy. That's the power of diversifying into precious metals through a gold IRA. And here's the kicker. This strategy is not just for the ultra-wealthy anymore. It's a smart move for any retiree who wants to protect their wealth from erosion, and it could be a perfect fit for you. But don't just take my word for it. With a gold IRA, you're tapping into a proven strategy that can help you weather financial storms. And the best part? You don't have to be an expert to get started. We've helped hundreds of retirees just like you protect their savings, and we'll help you do the same. Now, here's the secret you've been waiting for. If you're someone with $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, we're offering a free, no-obligation consultation call where we'll walk you through the steps to diversify your wealth into precious metals and protect your savings for the long term. I know what you're thinking, but I don't want to deal with high-pressure sales tactics or be sold a bunch of gimmicks. And I get that. That's why I'm not here to sell you anything. This is an educational call, purely to show you how a gold IRA works, how it can protect your savings, and if it makes sense for your situation. This is your chance to get personalized advice, with no pressure, no obligation, and absolutely no gimmicks. You'll leave this call with valuable insights into how you can protect your wealth and make sure your retirement is as secure as possible. So, if you're ready to make sure your nest egg is truly bulletproof, click the link in the description below to claim your free gold IRA guide and book your complimentary consultation call. You've worked hard for your retirement, and it's time to make sure it lasts. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your future today, because your retirement deserves nothing less than the best protection. The future is uncertain, but with the right strategy, you can make sure your wealth remains strong no matter what. Click the link now, and let's start protecting your nest egg together.